Girls who gets it, gets it.
Nobody ain't nothing like you. You love yourself like no one else. I'm telling the truth.
Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess. If this is your first time, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me. Now, you ladies know when it comes to my Telfars, I do not play. This video is for the girls who gets it, okay? The girls who gets it. So I have a new baby in town, and then I actually have two new babies in town, and then I did give up one baby. But I'm gonna go over that with you guys in this video, so let's get into it. Go ahead and show you the new boo, and this is the new boo that was purchased from the Telfar website. But anyways, this is the new boo. She is my favorite. I have not worn her yet. She actually just delivered yesterday, so sis had to do a video, you know, had to do my makeup and stuff and get on the YouTube for you guys so I could show you the girl who just arrived, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, her. Get out. Her is struggling on getting out. Her. Look how it glows off my body. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, you guys, so this is the new baby. I love me some her. Her name is Cream. This is the small cream, you guys. Small cream. Let's just get into it. Just get into the material. Just get into the material. You see it. You see it. You see it. So last night what I did was I had this chain on a Target bag of mine, and I connected her like this, baby. Let me just show y'all how I put her on here. And I said, oh yes, this thing is a dime, okay? She is a dime. Like I said, I have not worn her out yet. Y'all see the material? You see the material? Y'all, look at this bag. Look at just a moment of silence of Telfar, Mr. Clemens. Mr. Clemens, when you created this color, sir, y'all, the whole Telfar clan over there that's making these bags, y'all be ashamed of y'allself. Y'all did that, okay? That's the baby. This the new baby. I'm just gonna put her right here. She just looks so cute. And I'm gonna put this bag in here so y'all can see what she looks like. Whew, yes, Lord. I'm gonna take the chain out because I want to put her on another bag. I want to try her on one of the other bags that I have not done that, because I just tried this last night and I was like, oh, that's cute. I will be wearing her like this when I'm out, okay? So let me get that chain off of that, and I'm gonna put her in the back. And then I want to also do a quick, because it seems like the girls are forgetting what small bags can do, baby. This is a Barney bag. Y'all know the Barney bag. I'm putting it right here. Now that bag had everything in it, baby. This right here will do everything for you. Like I said, I don't know if you guys watched my last video, but I was letting you guys know like how I feel about all the bags or whatever and the sizes. And I gave my little opinion, and yeah. So your girl traded I decided to trade my medium bag, which was the blue. I kind of miss her, but then I kind of don't. You know, the color, I thought it was going to be more of a like beige white color. Like, you see that cream back there? She's so cute. So I'm more of like a neutral girl. But y'all, when this girl said she had I ain't gonna tell y'all the color. I'm gonna tell y'all the color. When she had this color, I was like, okay, I'll take it. She said it was a stain on it. I was like, okay, that's fine. Because, you know, a lot of people don't give up colors like this. So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and give up my medium because I really wanted to give it up anyway, and I wanted to trade it. And apparently in the group that I traded it in, this was one of the first trades. Now, I will tell you this. She did send me a video, let me know there was a stain on it. And I decided to keep the bag because I was gonna find a way to get the stain out, because the color of this bag, baby, who gonna pass it up? Not me. I don't care if it's small. It could have been itty bitty small, smaller than small, okay? I didn't care. I wanted this color. Now, I wouldn't have bought this color for myself, honestly, because I'm more of a browns, tans, whites, blacks. That's more me. gold, like, you know, I have my gold one. I'm more of that girl. But on this one, ladies and gentlemen, isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? Look at her. Now y'all see the material on her. Red haven't even dropped in about a year. Like, sis, I had to get her. When she said she wanted to trade, I was like, I see me keep looking back. I think my husband tried to scare me. But anyways, y'all see the material. Y'all see it. Babe. Y'all see the material. Y'all see it. She is beautiful. She is gorgeous. I mean, y'all, look at her. I love it. I've already, literally, my first time wearing her out was this weekend. And you can't even really see where the stain is. I guess a little bit. Now, the stain is right here. But I'm going to find out a way to get that out. And I saw somebody in this Telfar group. You know what? I need to tag the Telfar groups on Facebook. Like, I love them. They are family. We are family, okay? We are definitely cousins. But this bag here, y'all, when I traded my glue for this, it was well worth it, okay? But I'm going to actually... I'm not gonna do this bag. I'm probably gonna, well, yeah, I'm gonna do this bag. Well, let's see what can all fit in this bag because, you know, this is the new girl and I have used her, so I'm gonna go ahead and let her be the example for the day. But y'all, look at the material. Look at the material, sis. My Lord. I just love how they connect together, baby. That's a beautiful color together too. Anyways, let's see what all fits in your small Telfar bag because the girls seem to forget that Telfar, don't underestimate the Telfar bags. Don't underestimate the small Telfar bags. Okay? So I am actually recording on my 13 Pro, but this is my 11. And honestly, you guys, the sizes are about the same as far as the 11 and the 13 Pro, to be honest. So I have my phone 11, even though, like I said, I have a 13 Pro that I usually take everywhere with me, but I'm gonna put the iPhone 11 in here because the size is about the same. Look, slide right there. Look, where is it? Slide right on in. I'm gonna put my coin purse in here. And honestly, girls, it's best to use like a coin purse. It's like a coin. It's best to use like a coin slash card holder. Coin purse slash card holder. This one is from Michael Kors, but I will be getting one to match this bag and that bag from Coach. I saw a really cute one at Coach. And if you're a person that likes affordable things like me, affordable luxury, then places like Coach and Michael Kors and Kenneth, I think it's Kenneth Cole. Those places are nice places to get you some card holders and stuff from. Now, don't get me wrong, sis. I ain't trying to knock Louis Vuitton and Chanel and Saint Laurent. I would definitely be getting a coin purse, a coin card holder from them as well. But in the meantime, in between time, to match what I got right now, my coins, this one, Michael Kors, and my Coach is gonna be going in there. But as you can see, that's a lot of space. That's a phone and a card holder. Now, normally with me, when I'm out and about with my small bags, it's usually because, I mean, I carry my small bags because I want to like look cute or whatever. It's for the gram, you know. So I carry small things with me. Let me go grab my lipstick that I have on right now so you guys can see how sis gonna rock that in my purse. Okay, so as you can see already that I have the the card holder as well as my phone in here. I need my powder, which I usually use a lot of makeup. However, my powder is what helps me when it has a mirror, of course, so you need your mirror. So you don't have to have a mirror and makeup. So it has 2-in-1. And then it has what I need to use to pat my face dry if my face is looking greasy. So I put that in there. Well, I have a lot of room. So I use, for my small purses, I like to use my small mini lipsticks. I love these mini lipsticks because they're perfect for the Telfar bag to give you more room. And then also, I don't really need much to put on. Like, I don't use a lot. Just with my lipsticks, they usually last me. So, and I'm a MAC girl, so yeah, that's that. This is Chili from MAC. Very cute. As you can see, is what I have on right now. Very small. Sis fits right in. Perfectly fine. See? Perfectly fine. And then my lotion, actually, I kind of go between this one and this one. I think I'm gonna put this one in here because I already have another. So if I was to put the big one in there, I'll still have, and then like lay it on the side, I'll still have room. But for a lot of times, I do usually just take my hand cream because I only need it for my hands. Stick that right up in there like that. Your girl got to have her ear pods. Stick that ear pod in there like that. And we still have room in there, sis. Look, we still have room. Of my Lysol, which I normally put the Lysol at the bottom, so I'm gonna move this stuff. So I put the Lysol at the bottom because I really don't need it as soon as possible. My lotion, I put that on the side right there. And then this is my perfume. Now I will be going back. This is a mini size, but they actually have some that are smaller than this. And when you're out, you don't need much. Just poop poop and you're good after you go to the ladies' room. So I'm gonna be changing this out real soon. I love Marc Jacobs, and this is my first perfume in almost 10 years that I purchased. Usually I'm just a Bath and Body Works girl. So you guys, kudos to me. I'm growing up. Yes, I'm growing up. But anyways, stick her right in there like that because she fits and there's still more room in there. Go ahead and put the AirPods back on top since I took them out. And then I'm a chapstick person, so I have my chapstick. And then my hand sanitizer. Okay, so the girl's got to have her hand sanitizer. Stick that on in there like that. And that's that. I have everything that I need. The main, look, baby, look. You see the material. And she holds up well. And it doesn't matter to me that it's open at the top. I mean, because she's still cute. Sis, ain't nobody feel me looking in my bag. My bag literally is on my body or up under me. Okay? On me. That is a beautiful bag. Oh my goodness. My goodness. But let me show you guys the chain on it because I wanted to try this chain on here like I did the cream. And I figured it'll be cute on this one too because I seen a lady on, I had posted a post on the Facebook group. And a lady posted her medium size Telfar bag with the chain around it. And I was like, oh, sis gotta do it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Give it up for the girl, okay? Let's hear it for the girl. What's that song? Let's hear it for the boys. This, let's hear it for the girls. Yes, ma'am. I just love how she just sits so perfectly. I just love it. I just love it. I just love it. And if you want to just drape her, like, sis. She don't look cute like that. But sis, y'all see the material. You see her. Y'all know what it. You know what? You know what? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Let me get gold out, because I can't do this without gold. I cannot do this without gold. Y'all quit playing with me. Y'all, gold. This is my first baby. She gonna always be my baby. I ain't never giving her up, okay? Never. Ever. Okay? Never. I need to get like a little stand for my little bags. So they can have. I'm putting these little white bags in here so they can stand up. Stand up! Y'all see the material. Gold just does something for me every time. I feel like my heart just races when she gets, look. And look, just look. Just look. Y'all see the material? I tell Feezy. I tell Feezy. I tell Feezy. I tell Feezy. I love my girls. These are my girls. I have one daughter, okay? So, therefore, this is daughter 2, 3, and 4. She is just, I love how she connects to my skin. Like, we melt together. This one, she gives me spice. Yes. And then this one, she's like, I'm very classy. Hi. it's me. She's like, hey boo, I'm here. She's very sweet. And she like, come here, bring that. That's what she does for me. So yeah, I'm so glad that I traded my glue for this red color. It was one of the best decisions I ever made. And then of course we waiting on black. But in the black I did get that one in medium, so I cannot wait. It is June 1st and I'm like, okay, black should be here. It says either July 15th or anytime between July 15th and October 15th. So I'm like, sis, I hope I'm in that first round. I want to be in that first round. I'm trying to buy my black for the summer and going into the fall, okay? But anyways, if not, it'll be like a gift for me in October. So either way go, I have my bags. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a Telfar person and you have not purchased your first Telfar, sis, it's not hard anymore. Get you a Telfar bag. I think, what color is dropping? Orange is dropping Friday, I think. Gonna go copy one. Now, orange is not my color, but it may be your color. And they still cute no matter, and I think the colors are really cute in the small. But me, I'm more of a neutral person. Ooh, look at that. Y'all. Quit playing with me. But anyways, you guys, go get your Telfar bag. They're beautiful. I mean, let me tell y'all one thing about these Telfars that I really love before I get off this video. These bags do not have any hardware. So therefore, if I wanted to wear it with gold or if I wanted to wear it with silver, I could do that. Now, only one that kind of I can only wear with gold is this one because it is a gold bag. So of course, I like to match it with my gold belongings. And then of course I put this chain on it. If I put the chain on it, that's this color, then of course I'm gonna wear the gold. But when the chain is not on it, y'all, when the chain is not on it, it's literally no hardware. So, and then as far as the stitching on it, the stitching matches the stitching of the bag. Like, that is very important when having a bag for me because I don't want to always have to wear, if I need my black bag, let me show you my Michael Kors. With my black bag, I always have to wear gold with it because it's gold. Like, sis, sometimes I want to switch it up. My wedding ring is silver. My wedding ring is silver, so I like to wear silver a lot to match my wedding ring. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. And if you like videos like this one, thank you guys so much. If you like videos like this one, go ahead and comment below your favorite color in Telfar. If you have a Telfar bag, go ahead and put your colors that you got, sis. Also, give me your wish list of colors that you want to get, and let's connect. I'm gonna link the Facebook groups in the description area so you guys can join me on there and all the other cousins that's on there, and we all can be a big happy family. All right, until next time, bye.